How to integrate Webflow with Stripe. Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can integrate Webflow with Stripe. Now, at this stage, I must let you know that Stripe is a payment method, okay, an online payment method, and to integrate it is very simple. The first thing to do is to log in into your Webflow account, just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in, the next thing for you to do is to ensure that um you are ready to do this. Okay, yeah, that's just it. And then select a site. All right, once you selected the site that you want to work on, you'll be redirected to another page. Wait patiently for it to load. Once it has loaded, you will take into your site page. On this page, the next thing for you to do is to move to the left side of the screen where you see some options, and then select the e-commerce option. The e-commerce option is located below users and above settings. Okay, once you've located it, click on it. Once you click on it, you will be taken to the um e-commerce page, as you can see. And then on this page, the next thing for you to do is to click on setup setup guide. Now let's click on setup guide, and that page will be displayed asking you to set up your page. Now the reason why you have to click on setup guide is because you have to set up a page before you can add a payment method. Okay, so once this box is displayed, scroll down until you see launch your store. So under the launch your store option, you'll see other options. Select add payment provider. So let's click on app payment provider. If your store is not set up already, this would pop up asking you to set up your store. So click on continue. Now once you click on continue, and that page will be displayed. Ensure you fill in all of the required fields. Once you fill in all of the required fields, scroll down and then click on continue. Once you click on continue, you will be redirected to another page where you'll be asked to select a payment method. So on this payment method, you would see the option Stripe. Okay, just click on it. Once you click on it, be redirected to your Stripe page asking you to log in using the email you used to register with Stripe. Input the email, and then you'll be directed on how you can connect your Stripe with your Webflow account. It is that simple. Okay, so just go ahead and follow the procedures that I've shown you in this tutorial, and then you'll be able to integrate your Webflow with your Stripe account. I hope this tutorial is helpful. Thanks for watching.